everyone, and welcome to another episode of Something from the Shed, where today I'm making a spice rack for the wife. I'm going to be making it out of this high gloss white 16mm melamine. So far my cuts have been good. I'm doing this all on a homemade tabletop for a table saw and a homemade fence. I've got my fence set at 100mm from the inside edge of the blade to the edge of my guide here, the edge of my fence. And right now I'm going to cut the 2 sides and the 5 shells. So let's get cutting. And we mustn't forget eye protection and my funky pink ear defenders off my little girl. Anyway, let's get cutting. I'm not sure if I got that on camera, but there he is, the suicidal butterfly that's just flew into my table, so you can see where it's took a chunk out of his wing, and he's not happy. There he goes. Anyway, we've just cut the 2 sides. They're nice and I'm quite pleased with them, quite happy with them. Let's get on with the top and the bottom and the 4 shells. And again, eye protection and ear protection. So that's the 5 shells cut, the top and the bottom. See that the piece of iron-on strip in there. I might actually make another one just in case that alters. Doesn't seem to. Although it is going to alter when I actually iron someone. So I'll take that one away. I think I'll get rid of that one, and I'll make another one just to be on the safe side. After all, it is for the wife. So, eye protection and ear protection. So there we go. That's the 5 shells cut, top and the bottom and the 3 in the middle. Let's just retract that blade a little bit. Just check these. They're all nice and looks better. These are all nice and flush, all the same thickness. And if I offer up the two sides, they're the same thickness as well. So, the next thing to do is to take the 2 sides and the top and the bottom and the 3 shells and mark them all, give them the relative positions on each one of the sides, and run the router over them. I might even do it on the table saw, but we'll see where we go from there. Anyway, I've made my cuts. I'll see you next time. Take care. So you've just seen me there chopping up some melamine to make a spice rack. It's 650mm tall by 600mm wide, and it's 100mm deep. I've only filmed a small segment this week because that's what I want to do. I want to film small segments and get them on YouTube as quick, get them on my YouTube channel as quick as I can, because I think that's where I was going wrong. I was coming out to the garden and I was filming hour-long projects, trying to edit them, and by the time I've done with them, it just didn't look good, and I had no time at all. So I'm going to go with small segments, little clips, and then at the end of the project I'll put the whole video up there, and you guys can see the whole video if you want to look at the whole video. If not, you can follow the small segments that I'm going to hopefully be posting each week. But that's what I want to do, and now I'm cleaning up. Anyway, take care guys, and I'll see you next time.